Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. Manu really changing Mark Kamala. She's now becoming a horrible human being. Mark Kamala has been telling us, I bought my own house, I have my own jobs, I've been paying bills for the family pretty good. She is a woman who can stand by herself and she really worked hard to see like she did it by herself, no help from Musamsaleko. Now why she's still sitting there complaining, not leaving this toxic marriage she entered with her eyes open? Mark Malo sent us money a lot downside of growing up with poor. So a lot of people are dragging Mark Malo. Mark Malo now got money. She can stand by her own. If she hates Musamsalek and she doesn't love him anymore, why she's not leaving? She's angry with Makwela joining the polygamous marriage. She wants also join. So people are saying a lot of stuff when it comes to Makumalo, guys. They're saying, Ogote, she has all the money in the world. Why she's still with Musamsalek if she's not benefiting anything, guys? So today, this is the picture of Makumala. She posted. You can see she's at work. One thing about Makumala, honey, she will praise. She's the kind of woman that she's working hard, making sure all the bills are paid, guys. Even on the Wednesday episode, she did mention because she's the one who's paying the guy that is taking care of Mzumbe, guys. Because Samsalek was saying was the reason why I'm marrying Makwela is because Mzumbe is falling apart. Makumala was like, no, honey, I'm the one who's making sure. Ubaba, I forgot his name. He said she's paying everything. And people are asking themselves, oh, Tima Kumalo, you're independent, you're still young, you can go out there and get a man. Why are you still with him? Muslims? Like, you're always complaining, blaming everyone. Why don't you leave, guys? The people are also saying the same thing. Mangwa, she's a nurse, you have money. Why you guys are still there, guys? If this guy is not giving you what you want, why are you still there? Because every season you guys are complaining. I do understand Umaxele. She depends on Musamsalaka. She doesn't have income. Umayini, she's also working at a municipality. She has a business. She's also a good baker, guys. So people that really don't understand it, guys. I feel like season 9 is showing the true color. Some are saying there's no victim in all of them. They are all the same. They are always blaming each other. So some are saying Musamsalaka has a problem. Some are saying no, Musamsalaka has not a problem, guys. They are bad. Musamsalaka he's a better man out there. So waste man. He has given them opportunities, guys. It's up to them to use social media and make money and go out there and get brand deals like Makumalo, guys. What stop Makumalo from leaving? Some are saying Ugute Makumalo ever since now she has money. She's been talking. Honestly speaking, everything was fine. I feel like Makumalo didn't have a problem, guys. The problem started when Musamsalaka introduced Umakwela. Honestly speaking, I realized Musamsalaka really loves Umakwela, guys. Is trying by all means to protect Umakwela, guys. Late 2000, she's still young. I feel like Umakwela, she's felt threatened by Umakwela, guys. I mean, I also feel the same. Imagine a young woman, she's young, she's energetic, and there's an episode where Musamsaleka said that Makwela has to quit a job, and people are asking themselves, the wives, they were asking themselves, why Makwela ayekho she's getting allowance, well, Tina siyasebenza. The same thing that Umakumalo said to Musamsaleka. She was saying, ukuthi, mina nomayeni nomangwabe siyasebenza, asekelanga umsebenzi. Because there is someone out there who's new, you tell her to quit a job. That is totally unfair, guys. I feel like Umakumalo, guys, she's just angry. She's angry herself for wasting time. No, Baba Mseleko, guys, she's angry that she could have walked away, but right now she's regretting what's young or it's just confused as a married woman. There are situations where you look at yourself, what, I play myself, and you don't want to take accountability. When it comes to everyone, not everyone is taking accountability. Mangwabe is always blaming Musamsaleka, but she never blames herself. Umaxele, she's blaming the other wives, but she will never blame herself. Umayini naye, she thinks everything is caused by other wives, by Musa. No one come there and say, you know what, I made a mistake for marrying this man. I've never seen anyone saying that, guys. All of them, they want to blame each other. That's where the problem is. So it is what it is, guys. I don't think Umakumalo money has changed. I feel like she's just trying to find a solution to the current situation. She'll feel betrayed by Musamsala because they used to have a pillar talk, maybe they used to talk everything. Right now Musamsala he's no longer talking to her. I will feel betrayed also, guys. Tobile, she was the Kim Kardashian every decision Musamsala will tell her. Now she doesn't understand what is going on. All the money that I have, you still choose Macele, calling Macele Ndlunkulu. You once told us we are all doing Ndlunkulu. Now Umacele, she's a Ndlunkulu. What do you mean? I mean, I'm finding everyone. I'm making sure that everybody is covered here. All you do is for you to go and talk to Macele. Come on, I do understand where Tabula comes from, guys. It makes sense. I'm not saying she's right, but yes, she also has a right to complain. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.